We got our IPSY bag.
Pose.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashoda and this is RaShodaMakemeovah. Guess what we got today, y'all? We got our IPSY bag and our IPSY box. Yeah. So this is BoxyCharm and IPSY. And we're gonna get them open today. So this is not a big box, it's just a regular subscriptions. We got the sample bag and the full-size bags, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video because it's gonna be a little short and simple and short, simple and sweet. Okay, just like the holidays, short, simple and sweet. So if you are new here, welcome to our family. This is the Glam Fam and I hope you enjoy our channel. Make sure you subscribe on your way in. And also, if you're returning, welcome back, Glam Fam. I love you guys. Welcome to the Glam Fam, y'all. So let's get into the video. So I'm always going in with the sample sizes first, but let's just go big, right? They say go big or go home. We going big. We're gonna go on in with the big sizes this time. So we're going in with our IPSY box. Ooh. What's a video without me dropping something, right? So in this box we have IPSY BoxyCharm. And it says this undoable product is coming in January. Can you guess it? Oh, suspicion, why don't ya? What is it? We've got your time off listening and watching plans covered. Unwrap joy. Read this get ready guide before your next big bash. Ooh. Oh, okay, so it's just a lot of holiday info and tips and tricks with makeup. Oh wow. And the featured items in December's box. So that's very, very lovely. All right, then let's get into this box, y'all. The first item we have is Volition Snow Mushroom Water Primer. So that's that. And let's see what it gives. It's made with AVAC vitamin C and vegan is a squalane. So that's what that looks like. And how to use immediately following your skincare regimen. Smooth a thin layer all over your face or on an oily prone areas like T-zone. Your girl need this. I am an oily joker, man. Like soon as I put on my makeup, it's like oily. I've wanted to try the calamine lotion first on my skin and see how that works, because I see the other girlies do that, so I want to try it, but I've just always been afraid to do it, but I'm gonna try that one day. But we're gonna try this first. It does not really have a smell. No, it don't have a smell, so it's non-fragrance. Okay, there we go. We got it out. Okay, next we have Expressionist Pro Mascara. Well, people, clean beauty powered by plants. Oh, so this is a clean makeup product. So let me show you what it looks like. So that is the product. And this is the one. Well, you're not gonna see. But she has like a very fine bristles, very nice packaging. I really like that. It's really nice. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, let's rip her open. I feel like it's Christmas time. It says Dermalactives Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. So we have some moisturizer. This packaging is so like giving me clean, giving me very chic, very well put together. I really like it. Oh, girl, I don't know why I didn't rip these nails off. Y'all know I have problems with these nails, and I still be trying to be cute. They be breaking and everything. Okay, let's see. It always does this to me. Gotta shake it maybe. There we go. Some moisturizer. Oh, it's got a nice light fragrancy smell. I like this. Ooh, it has like a perfume smell. Like a light perfume smell. Very like, let me see what it has in it. Is there any notes in here? Use twice daily on clean face. Avoid eye area. And it can cause irritation, probably because of the fragrance in it. It smells really good. It has a QR code on the back. Let me put it on the screen, just in case if you all want to scan it. And maybe it'll take you straight to it and show you like what the product is all about. So this is what she looks like once again. Okay, got it? Got it. All right, next we have Amika Soulful Nourishing Mask. Man, my kids always take my mask from me. Maybe I can hold on to this one. Oh, I just love Amika products because of the color. Y'all know I love rainbow. Rainbow everything. I am rainbow down. Oh, it smells kind of like the conditioner that she has. I'm loving this. Oh, it's a mask. It smells good, y'all. I would wear this as a lotion. What is this? Gratifying your hair. Oh, it's for your hair. Oh, gratifying your hair with rich, high potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. Massage it through wet hair. Let it penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes, and then rinse it well for weekly or daily usage. Girl, your hair be smelling too good with this. There she go. I need to try this because it smells. Woo, that smells good. I thought it was like some body lotion. All right, next. I don't want to run out of time on my phone. Rose and Wood eyeshadow palette. Let's see where she is from. Come on up out of there. They got her wrapped up really very well. Okay, and we have Natasha Denona. This is a very gorgeous palette, y'all. This is so beautiful. Look at all the earth tones. They are so gorgeous. I'll give you a swatch test. So that's the first color. Dark brown color. I'll give it another swatch. It's like a smoky dark brown. Then we have this gold right here. I guess I'll go right here. It's pretty. And then we have this shade of brown as well. Go right here. It's a pretty brown. Look how pretty that is. And I'm gonna go in on our thumb. And then I'm gonna go here. Oh, that's a good highlight color, and it's beautiful. This is a beautiful palette. I love her. Her palettes are so creamy and so nice. So that is all for the IPSY box. So let's get into the IPSY glam bag. Now we're gonna get into this glam bag, y'all. So rip her out the plastic. Y'all know it's brand new. Oh, just in time for Christmas. Did y'all get an IPSY bag for someone for? Oh, y'all, look at this. Oh my God. This is a cute little personal bag. This can be as a gift or for yourself. I'm giving this for myself. This is cute. Look at it. Look at the details. IPSY. Oh, she did her big one with this. It's cute. Oh, a good little clutch bag. Look at all the goodies inside. So now, oh, what is this? This is Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. This says it's a serum and eye cream. Well, no, it says serum and cream. Yo, I cannot see. Okay, maybe y'all can see what it say. I cannot see what it says. Girl, it's almost blind. I'm not gonna claim that. I can't see y'all, so that's what it look like. And this one is Tatcha. Y'all, this is a good brand too. Okay, so boom. So let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see what it is. It does not have a smell. It does not have a fragrance. So it's a serum, you guys. It's a serum and cream. It's a cream serum. There we go. Cream serum. Next we have, this is LYS Confident Precision One Makeup Sponge. I got a makeup sponge, you guys. Oh. I haven't had a makeup sponge yet. Look at that. Oh, that'll be good for the eye looks and to, you know, put your powder on your eyes and get that precise line or your nose. It can also help you give you that snatch nose that you really want when you're doing your makeup look. So I'm definitely gonna put her to use. Thank you, LYS. I love that. Next we have Nina Body Lotion 24-hour moisturizer. I love me a good old moisturizer body lotion, especially when you get out the tub and you rub yourself down and you just stay moisturized for the rest of the day. It has like a minty smell to it. It smells really, really nice. Let's see. Put the top back on her. Let's see if it has any nose massage lotion all over your clean and dry skin. It has sea silt extract de lemon marine, glycerin. Trying to see if there's anything that stands out. The rest is the names I cannot pronounce, but there you go. If you can pause the screen to read it, if you can read it. And this is what she looks like. So it has this minty like smell to it. Okay. Okay, guys, we're narrowing it down to the last two. So this is from Pixie Petra. And this is a lip tint, a lip balm tint. I'm starting to see what the shade is. Oh, here it is. It is Lip Glow Ruby. That is cute. I hope it's the same shade. Let's see. Baby, when they get in these packs, they ain't going nowhere. I promise you that. They're not. Oh, they're like the Kiss. Oh, this one you turn. Oh, she's pretty. Hold on. Let's do like center. Ooh. Okay. Maybe not. Can you? I think this light pink is like overpowering, or it may be the same color because it's a lip tint. So yeah, it's you can't tell because it's about the same, almost the same shade, so you couldn't really tell. So that's what it looks like. I think I might like it. I'm gonna try it without. Let's just do it. Let's just wipe it off. Let's just do it. I mean, like, why not? All right, let's try it. Okay, let's put it on. Why not? Really cute. It's like a rosy color. Yes, it has like a lip balm feel. Okay, y'all, some sugar. All right, next we have Nip Fab. This is an Illuminate eye cream with vitamin C, and it has 10% vitamin C in it. So that's Nip Fab. And of course I have my makeup, so I can't show you guys on my face, but I can give you a little dot on the hand and let you know if it has a smell, a strong fragrance or anything. And no, it does not have a smell at all. Okay, loves, so that is all for today's video with our IPSY and BoxyCharm box opening. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below and let me know which item was your favorite item in today's box opening. I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Bye.